A 12-hour total shutdown called by all tribal students union Manipur ARTSUM, demanding the introduction of Hill Area Committee recommended 8 December 2021 in the Manipur Legislative Assembly and in support of the collective tribal movement spearheaded by ARTSUM, Kuki Students Organization KSO, General Headquarters and All Naga Students Association Manipur ANSAM, the Manipur tribals in Delhi under the aegis of Manipur Tribal Forum Delhi in view of the mass protest rally today has not affected much of the areas in Tamenglong district. No effect of ARTSUM total shutdown has been reported in Tamenglong under JTSM jurisdiction area and Longmai district headquarters, stating they do not support the shutdown. Shops remain open and vehicular movement was seen as normal. It may be mentioned that ARTSUM in a press communique had informed that in line with the scheduled mass rally in Delhi, they called for a total shutdown in the entire Hill districts on 18th of December 2021 from 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. So far, no untoward incident has been reported in connection with the ARTSUM total shutdown.